Welcome in our lecture 10 part A, Standard Operating Procedure SOP for quality objectives and planning to achieve them. Purpose: departments have to establish their yearly plan for achievement of the quality planning and to report in the periodic management review meeting MRM through statistical and graphical presentation to the chairperson and participant of the MRM regarding progress on achievement, actual versus planned quality objective. You are watching part A of this lecture 10. Scope: this procedure will be applicable to all technical and support departments. In starting phase of implementation of quality objective might be applicable in few important departments such as production, quality assurance, supply chain management, but gradually these will be extended to other departments, for example human resource maintenance, store department, as per the decision taken in the management review meeting by participant with approval of chairperson. Responsibility: the management representative is responsible to ensure that departments are functioning in accordance with their predefined and approved statement of quality objectives. MR also has to ensure to management on periodic monitoring by the respective head of departments. Procedure: all concerned departments have to establish statement of department quality objective. Head of departments discuss with their departmental team on the suggested proposed sets of quality objective statements and finally conclude to select at least one quality objective per standard. Quality, environment and occupational health and safety, and finalize at least 3 quality objective statements for management approval. Per varying standard means in case if your organization is duly certified or going to for certification for integrated management system IMS. The component of IMS are ISO 9001 quality management system, ISO 14001 environmental management system and 45001 occupational health and safety management system. Each department has to establish minimum 3 or maximum 5 quality objectives statements subject to the management approval. A small department or section within the department establish minimum 1 quality objective statement. Quality objective are being set for entire year but report in MRM on quarterly basis. During implementation phase of the integrated management system, the management review meeting will on monthly basis. The department will present their quality objective with other MRM agenda points on monthly basis. Standard do not reveal any fixed frequency of MRM and this depend on the sole discretion of participant of the MRM subject to approval by the chair. The interval of the MRM can also be a 6 month of even many organizations are conducting MRM on yearly basis. My experience reveals that 3 months are good frequency for monitoring and sustaining the reliability of the system. Each department has to establish minimum 3 or maximum 5 quality objective statements subject to the management approval. A small department or section within the department establish minimum 1 quality objective statement. Department arrange and gets management approval 1 week before start of the next quarter or next working period so that data collection and recording on day-to-day basis. Cumulative status could be easy to report from day 1 through the quality objective monitoring report. Standard do not reveal any fixed frequency for MRM and this depend on the sole discretion of the participant of the MRM subject to approval by chair. The interval of the MRM can also be after 6 months. Even many organizations are conducting MRM on yearly basis. My experience revealed that 3 months are good enough frequency for sustaining the reliability of the system. Management has a right to call any department for presentation on all or any specific quality objective. Departments after completion of each quarter present statistical and graphical data must with the current and cumulative figure. The reporting on cumulative figures of each quarter will remain continue till the completion of the year. Even the cumulative status of the year can be reported during the 3 years period of certificate validity. Departments prepare quality executive report on quality objective. Attached herewith this procedure as a specimen for presentation in SCM MRM. Under the same document name and document control number, department may design their report subject to the statement, functions and data, but the basic content of the reporting parameter will be commonly be applicable for all departments. All departments have to follow the conceptual homework in accordance with the specimen of quarterly executive report on quality objective. In short, departments have to follow what they have to include, for example, current and cumulative data, graphs, comparison with past quarter, percentage difference, increasing, declining trend, etc., and with their brief remarks on each. I am Syed Muhammad Ali and you are watching my YouTube channel AIMSAT. Kindly press subscribe button and also lightly press the bell icon so that you can get my every new video. In accordance with the input departments received during presentation from the chair or suggestions from the participating desks may improve their reporting system. These inputs and suggestions are also being recorded by the minutes of steering committee meeting. Related documents, procedure for management review meeting MRM. These related documents, the purpose of describing these related documents for referral purpose only. Related record, statement of department quality objective monitoring report, quarterly executive report on quality objective. Distribution approved by, written by, issue date will remain unchanged as already spelled out in detail in our previous lectures. Review of this SOP. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, kindly press the like button. Thank you very much.